Okay? Those are going to be your steps every single time. You're going to add or subtract the x's and then divide by the number that's next to the y. So if we look at 5, it says add or subtract the x's. Okay, so find the x. Are you going to add or subtract it? Why? It's positive. So if there's nothing in front of it, and you can write your problem like down here, we got 5x plus y equals negative 2. Okay, so we're going to subtract our x's. Okay, so over here I got y equals. Now, can you put these two together?
Yes.
No. Okay, we cannot because one has an x and one does not. Okay, so essentially all you're doing is writing them in a straight line. I got negative 2 minus 5x. Okay, I didn't change anything, I just moved them over. Is there a number next to the y?
No.
No, so we don't need to divide on this one, so that's nice. Okay, now looking at this, what is the y-intercept?
2.
Negative 2. Okay, the way that you can tell, the slope always has the x attached to it. Okay, so go to the y line and find the negative 2. Okay, is our slope positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, okay, because it's a negative 5. Okay, so our line should be looking like this. Okay, and it's really 5 over 1. Okay, so we're going to go up 5 and over 1 which way? To the left. Okay, go to number 12. Bless you. Okay, is the y by itself?
Yes. No.
No. Okay, it's got a 4x and a plus in front of it. Okay, we just need y equals. So, write your problem down if you need to. Okay, so we're going to add or subtract the x's. So in this case, are we going to add or subtract? Subtract. So we're going to say minus 4x minus 4x. Okay, so I got y equals 5 minus 4x. Is there a number next to the y?
No.
No, so we don't need to divide. Okay? What is our y-intercept? 5. What's our slope? Negative 4. Okay, so go to the y line and find the 5. Okay, and we know that our slope is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, so it should look like this. Okay, this is where I'm not trying to be mean or anything. You guys need to use some common sense, okay? So our slope is 4 over 1. Can I rise 4? No, so I have to go down 4 instead of up 4, which is okay. Okay, now you need to use your brain power and think. So if I go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which way do I need to go? I need my line to look like this. To the right. Okay, what happens if I go to the left? It would be positive. Okay, so you really have to stop and think about which way you need to go. Remember, the up and down doesn't change anything, but the left and right does. Okay, 14. I got 5x minus 2y equals negative 10. Do I need to add or subtract the x's? Subtract them. So I'm going to say minus 5x minus 5x. So I got negative 2y equals negative 10 minus 5x. Okay, all I did was take that and write it in a straight line. Now, is there a number next to the y?
Yes.
Yes, so that means we need to divide everything, and here's a little tricky, and we need to divide everything by negative 2. Okay, don't draw like a full bar, okay? Do it under each piece, because if you draw a full bar, it's gonna mess you up, okay? What is negative 10 divided by negative 2? 5. Okay, then look at these signs separately. What is a negative divided by a negative? It's gonna be a positive. What is 5 over 2? Yeah, or just 5 over 2. If it's something you're like, I don't know what that is, then it probably means it needs to stay as a fraction, because with our slope, we always have fractions. Okay, so it's just gonna be 5 over 2, x. The ones that you have to divide with the y seem to be the most confusing for kids, okay? So if you're feeling lost, that's totally understandable. Okay, what is our slope?
5.
Try again.
Oh, no, 5 over 2.
5 over 2. What's our y-intercept? 5. So go to the y line, find the 5. They are, but it's still changed orders. Okay, so go to the y line, find the 5. Okay, and then our slope is positive, so it should be going this way. And it's 5 over 2. Can I go up 5? No, so we need to go down 5, 2, 3, 4, and over 2, which way?
Right.
To the left. Okay, the whole back page is going to be extra credit. Some of you, if you have below a C, you probably need to do it. Okay, I'm not making you, but don't come crying me when your grade's bad. Okay, so go through. I would definitely start on the front ones, okay, because those are the easy ones, and work your way to the harder ones. Oh, Hanson, we crossed some of these out. Cross off 3, I know.
3.
8. What else? Just that one. I flopped all over the page today because some of them suck. Okay, you guys need to make sure that you do whatever.